everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing a FabFitFun mystery bundle that I received a while back, but I haven't had a chance to do anything about it until now, so it's 2104-MYS-016. Without any further ado, let's just go ahead and jump in and take a look. The first item is a Spongel Freesia Pear sponge. I really enjoy these because they're just kind of got that rough buffer finish, which is really good for exfoliating, especially in the middle of the winter like we are now. So I've always got a few of these on backup. So that was an awesome item for my first item out of the box. And second up is this Glamour Shot, and what it is a translucent foundation. So I will have to give this a try during my Zoom meeting and see if I see any difference. I'm not sure. I've seen mixed reviews of it online, but I will give it a try because it's here and I've got it, so I might as well use it. Moving right along, the next item is something I haven't really seen much before. And what it is a ginseng berry essence, I guess is what it's called. You put it on after your toner, and it's supposed to really help with moisturizing your skin. Now normally I use my skincare products that I get in these bundles like on a first in first out basis, but I think I may need to juggle things around so I can work this in, because we are in the kind of season right now where my skin is just really dry and stressed, and I feel like this is the time where I would really see the benefits from this. So I am going to work it into my skincare routine and see what I think. I'm really interested in it and I'm excited to try it. And then the final item out of the bundle today are these little alpha hydroxy acid. They're basically an acid peel pad, and they're just like a convenient form in which to use AHA. I think this is another item I may skip to the top and start using now, just for the fact that alpha hydroxy acids do make you sunburn or really prone to sunburn, and I already have a huge skin sensitivity to sunlight. So I think it would be best to try it sooner than later before spring and summer come around and I'm really outside a lot. So those are the 4 products that I received in my bundle today. They're all very interesting. The only really familiar one is the Spongel. Other than that, I'm excited